Hi, this is the TCL 40C and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and in the search pull enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. After that, you will see here information about your battery health. In my case, the battery is in a good condition. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.